be girls across the nation that'll eat us up. Babe, I know that it's just me. Woo! Love, love, love.
Ay,
Love, 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 love.
huwag tayo magbulahan and do not force the issue. I respect your comments, but it is a, how would I call it? It's a rigmarole to me. Alam ko na alam mo eh. Huwag kami na itong isa pa. Oh. Just because kayo ang Supreme Court. You order me, I will not follow you. Orderan mo ako? Hala kayo dyan. I will order the military and the police to save lives. I am not saying that they should kill them. But in the meantime that you are projecting your theories there is crime on the streets. Please, please. Do not, sabi mo, create a constitutional issue. There will be. Pero wag mo akong pasundin. Ba sinabi ko sa inyo at sana narinig ka, ma'am. In this presidency of mine, wala akong dreams dito. But when I said, I will stake my honor, my life, and my presidency, ito. Please, huwag mo akong order. Hindi ako gago. If this continues, pigilan mo ako. Sige. Pag nagwala na, or would you rather that I will declare martial law? Pinapatay ang Pilipino. I grieve for the so many women raped, men killed, infants raped. Tapos ipitin mo ako. I have to clean. Siguro, ma'am, I can give you an idea. Pagka binilisan lang yung federalism at nalinis ko sa droga ang Pilipinas, I am ready to retire.